Good morning, student. Welcome all my dear student in this English class. As you already know that we are discussing about first chapter of the book Vistas, the third level. In my previous video, I have already explained all the things about the third level. So what's third level? Third level, no third level existed on Grand Central Station. Only two levels are there. And what's third level? How the third level produced here? So it's just the imagination of Charlie. So why imagination? This modern world is full of worry, tension, war, anxiety, fear. So due to all these negative things, so we have to take shelter of some imagination. In place of living in real world, if we keep ourselves in touch with the imagination, so that time so we can live according to our own will. So that's why the third level it has been presented by Jack Finney, and he to large extent he got success to highlight, to expose the vulnerable section of a common man. So all these things, so they are here, so we have already been discussed. So now so we have to resume our chapter. So Charlie is moving in the third level. In third level, gas lights in place of electricity lights, and few corridors, small and few ticket windows, doors, windows. So all these things they have been locomotives and spitons. They are given in the textbook, and I already explained it. So what happens when he goes to ticket window? He demands ticket. Charlie demands ticket to Galesburg, because third level is a place so where you can get ticket, because third level though it's in imagination, so you can imagine anything. So here in imagination of Charlie, so he thinks that this in this third level, so the time by the newspaper, the world, it has been explained what time is there. 1894, July 1894 time it has been mentioned here. So much earlier than the actual time. So this story is also about the intersection of time and space. When he demands ticket, and as soon as he is going to give him the money of modern world money, the clerk refused to get money, because he gave him warning that you are giving me fake currency, so this currency is not in circulation. So he hesitated, withdraw himself, and he come out from the third level. He comes home next day after having lunch. So he got an idea that he is in the requirement of the old currency note. So he went to coin dealer, the person who deals in old coins or the rare coins, notes or old currency. He exchanged the money that he was having with him, and he got all the bills, all the notes. Bill here means notes in old style currency. So taking money, so again he's going to third level, but he could not find third level. He tried a lot, he searched a lot, he worked on it. That's a means like anybody, but he could not reach there. He was very worried. He comes to his house and shares his worry with his wife. His wife says that something probably might wrong happened with his mental health. So that's why she was worried, and she convinced him that in place of searching third level, You have to switch over to your old habit, that is stamp collecting. So, keeping all these ideas, his own idea, his wife idea, so he gets convinced. Then one day, suddenly when he come across a first day cover. So let me tell you what is first day cover. The most important question, what is first day cover? Though this question has nothing to do with the examination point of view, but without knowing about first day cover, so you cannot get the lesson completely. So what is first day cover? Everybody who is in the hobby of collecting stamp, so he must have in his store the rare collection of stamp. And moreover, whenever a stamp is issued on the very first day and the stamp that is there, so on this a seal is stamped. So that seal bears the date. First day any new stamp is issued, and that stamp if somebody has in his collection, so it's called the collection of first day cover. So I'm giving you just a demo. So suppose I come to know that tomorrow a new stamp in the post office will be issued. So I'm giving you just example. So this is the new stamp and tomorrow it will be issued, and I want to be the first buyer, but stamp cannot be bought. It's illegal. Stamp is used to affix it on an envelope, and here a seal is stamped. This is the purpose, to give the duty to the post. So here if I want to collect this stamp, so what I have to do, I will go to post office, and in post office I will get an envelope, and in this envelope I would put a blank paper, nothing I have written, because what's my purpose? My purpose is not to deliver this mail, my purpose is to collect this stamp. So that's why I would put the blank envelope here and seal it. Again I would affix here a stamp, and it will bear the date that will be stamped on it. And here I will write here my own address, and I would mail it, and it would come to my address. As soon as I would receive it, because it bears my address and I myself have mailed it, so as soon as I will get it, so I would get a collection of the postage stamp, and for this I did all these things. So this is collection. So this seal is already sealed, no need to open it, because inside blank paper is there, and just a formality, blank paper is there. So this is about first day cover. If you read the chapters, you will get to know everything easily, because this is just a bit difficult, not much difficult, a bit of difficulty may arise, but now I think that you have got all the thing. So what happens there? First day cover, when Charlie was searching, so his grandfather was also in the habit of collecting the first day covers or the stamps. So when he was searching, so actually the stamp affixed here bearing the old date of July 1894, much earlier. But what happened there? As soon as he opened it and he is reading reading the blank paper from both sides, and he is reading that this letter is mailed backdate 1894, much earlier years, and here it's addressed to Charlie by his friend Sam, and he's saying, I have been to Galesburg and I'm enjoying a lot, and you are most welcome here. So come as early as possible. And here the signature of it, friends. But actually, in reality, it's a blank paper. Nothing has written here. But why Charlie says, why Charlie claims? Because it's in the collection of his grandfather. So it's blank paper, but Charlie reads all the thing in his imagination. So like the third level, actually there is no third level on Grand Central Station, but he claims to have all the things. So the way he thinks deeply. So it's a waking dream wish fulfilled. While waking, if we have a dream and we think that what we dream, so it's completed. We have realized our dream. In the same way, so the blank page is read out and the paper says nothing, but Charlie says that on the paper, the written all the things, so these things were his imagination. So, like the third level power, so it's the imagination. Hope that you have got something about it, and I'm sending you some question and you have to answer it. Thanks a lot.